Substring, getting a part of a string. We can get a substring from a string by using subscripts or a number of other methods. For example, prefix, suffix, split. To access certain part of a string or modify it, we should know about the index, which represent the position of the each character in a string. Start index, index of the first character. Each string comes with the start index and end index. So we should know more about start index and end index. Error, it gives an error. String index is out of bounds. This is an end index is an end of the string. So it going to the index out of bounds. Before getting into more complex example, let's understand few concepts about index. Yeah, it runs from hello world from beginning to ending. So we should know more about the index first thing. So we should know about after, before, offset, and linked by. After that, you will get an idea. So how to use index so that we can easily substring the strings. So first we'll see after. Yeah, index after refers to index of a character directly after the given index. We will see the example for character and strings. So this is example for character. I'm getting the character from a string A. Index after start index. After start index 0 position, H is there. After H we have a E is there, so E printed. We have seen getting character. Now we are going to see the string. Getting a string from a string using range operator. Yeah. After start index to end. After start, after H, so it printed. Now we'll see another example before. Before index refers to an index of a character directly before giving the given index. Previously we have given the end index, so it given error, that is the index out of bounds. So now we are giving the before end index, so means end of the string. What is there? D. M. So it prints D is a capital. Now we can print with some string. Before end index. from starting to before end index except D. It prints. Yes. Yeah. Similarly, we have seen offset by index offset by a. This value can be positive or negative, and it start from the given index. From starting to sixth position using offset by. Let's print P. Sixth position is the P. From starting to sixth position is the P. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we'll see with getting string using offset. From ending to minus is the back position, ending to sixth position. Okay. We can print the string by using offset with some range from start index to end index. Yeah, play. And we should also know about limited by. Limited by useful for making sure that the offset does not cause the index to go to out of the bounds. It is a bounding index. Since it is possible for offset to exceed the limit, this method returns an optional. It returns nil if the index is out of bounds. Why? Ninth position. From play background, ninth position is Y. Using limited by. Now we are familiar with the index. How to use index? We are already familiar with. We have already seen the example of before, after, offset by, limited by. So let's see some example, like how to get beginning of the string, how to get ending of the string, how to get a particular string not from with the range. So first we will see beginning of a string. So we have a string that is a play background. Now we are going to print hello beginning of the string. 5 caps. This is with the subscript. The same example we can print with using prefix up to index, begin index. Hello. This one is also hello. Using subscript, we have printed hello, and with the prefix up to, we have printed hello. Or we can easily string of prefix. Yeah, first 5. Same. These are the example for a beginning of a string. Similarly, we can ending of a string. To get the ending of a string, we can see some examples. This is example using subscripts. Same like beginning of a string. Ending of the strings. Yeah, playground. We can also print the same result using suffix. Suffix from. Yeah. Index, ending index, yes. Same result. Or we can also print the same result with a suffix of count. Yes. Suffix means end of the string, as we have seen previous video. Prefix means beginning of the string. So now we have seen beginning of the string and ending of the string. So third one, we can get a string from any position using range operator. As we have seen previous example, we can easily understand this. Yeah, beginning index from starting to 6th position, ending index from ending to 6th position. -6. Yeah. Let's see the output. Okay, some declaration error. Yes, see the output.